Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make money from this site. Okay, I'll be teaching you how to make money from this site. You don't need to add any money, you don't need to fund any money, you don't even need your money. You're not funding any money in this site. You'll be making money just by connecting your WhatsApp. Okay, and please, this site is not where you get money quickly. If you're looking for money for data, money that you use and cover up for your data, then this site is for you. It's not where you make dollars, it's not where you make plenty money. It's just a site where you register, then you go and sleep. You're not doing much thing there. It's just your first day that you do your task, then every day you can come and claim your money. Okay, so I waited for me to make my first withdrawal before I will make a video and post it on my YouTube. So before we continue, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And you can also share this video to your family and friends so that they can be making money to cover up their data expenses. Okay, click on this me to show you that I have actually placed a withdrawal and I have successfully gotten it on my OPay Nigeria account. Okay, so as you can see it here, 10,000 naira withdraw success. So if you click on this arrow here, so as you can see, I have withdrawn 10,000 successfully. I've withdrawn successfully, and if you did not see it, there's still option for you to make a complaint, but I did not get any issue. If you place a withdrawal, they will tell you that you get it within 24 to 74 hours, but mine was not up to 24 hours before I received my money in my bank account. Okay, the first thing that you need to do is to copy the link below this video or in the description box of this video. You paste it in your browser, any browser of your choice, but I'm using Chrome. Okay, so you paste it on your Chrome, you register, you put your email address and password. So once you are done with registration, it's going to bring you here. Okay, so once it brings you here, you are going to click on this state. Okay, you click on this state. Like I said, they're not going to do anything here. All you just do is for you to register, connect your WhatsApp number, then you start making money. And please, the WhatsApp number that you are connecting is not your main WhatsApp. Okay, if you have two numbers, you can actually register a new WhatsApp with a new number and link it here. Don't use your main WhatsApp. Don't link your main WhatsApp here. Do you understand? Don't link your main WhatsApp. I did not link my main WhatsApp. Okay, so you click on this state here. As you can see, my WhatsApp income, as you can see it here, before I linked my two WhatsApp. You can link as many WhatsApp as you can. Link as many WhatsApp as you can, but I linked to two, then later removed one. Okay, so once you are done with registration, you click on this state, then you click on add WhatsApp. Okay, this is one of the legit sites that you can make money from. They're not asking you for money. So it's just very easy and simple. If you're not a greedy person that is looking for big money, so the money that you're making here can cover up for your monthly data expenses, so your daily data expenses. So you click here, they say use phone number. That is, you are linking your WhatsApp now. You click here, so it's going to bring out a video tutorial. So but if you don't want to watch this video tutorial on how to link, because I'm going to show you step by step on how to link, so it's either you follow my video step by step or you click play to watch step by step video on how to link your WhatsApp. So if you don't want to watch this video, you want to follow my step, then you just click on next. Okay, so once you click on next, you are going to input your WhatsApp number. Okay, so once you input your WhatsApp number here, you input your WhatsApp number. Okay, then you click on get. So once you click on get, they're going to send you a code. Okay, you're going to see a code here. You copy that code around this place. You copy, just click on copy. So once you copy, you go straight to your WhatsApp. Remember, not your main WhatsApp. Okay, once you come to your WhatsApp, you click on this dotted line here, this 3 dotted line. You click on it, you're going to see linked devices. Okay, you click on linked devices, then I'm going to click on link a device. You click on link a device, you input your password. So if you want bring out a scan QR code, you click on link with phone number instead. Then that code that you copied, are going to paste it here. Once you paste it here, you enter on your keyboard and it's going to link successfully. So once you are done linking, you go back to that's your account. Okay, once in every 24 hours you come here, you click on this start, you click on this state, sorry, then you see your money here. You click here to check how much you have made from this side. You click on get, then your money will be added to you here. Your money will be added to you here. So once you claim this one, you come to this one, you click on it, you click on get. Once it's up to 24 hours, okay, you click on get, then you come to home. This thing that is reading here is going, your own is going to be 2, but me, I mistakenly deleted my own, so another one will be somewhere here. So once your own show green, you tap on it. The first one that I deleted, once your own show green, you tap on it. They're going to pay you your money. If the second one show green, you tap on it. Is the third, if the third one show green, you tap on it, you click on it, they will pay you. So that's how you'll be doing it. Okay, and the minimum withdrawal is 3,000, and you withdraw from Monday to Friday, from Monday by 10 a.m. to I think 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. Okay, you don't do withdrawal on weekends. So if you want to invite your friends, you can click on invite here. You can click on this invite, click on this invite, then you copy your referral link. You copy your referral link here and send to your friends. Okay, so if you are doing this, don't just go and disconnect your WhatsApp, because if you disconnect your WhatsApp, they will no longer send you your money until you connect your WhatsApp back. And don't forget, once you come here, there is a tax that you're supposed to do, about 4 to 5 tax. It's because I have done mine, that's why it is not showing. Do you understand? I've done mine, that's why the tax is not showing. So around this home page or states, you see your tax to do, about 4 tax. It's just simple. Okay, once you are done, you click on this me here, you click on this me, then you see these features here: receiving accounts, initiate withdrawal, revenue records, withdrawal records. So if I click on withdrawal record now, you see that I have withdrawn 10,000 naira. Okay, so if you want to put your card details, you click on this receiving account. Okay, so once you click here, Then because I have put my account details, you can put your own OPay, money points, anyone. Okay, if I want to put my details now, they say you select your country, don't forget. Then bank name, if you're using OPay, you put OPay. Personal bank account, then you can put your bank account number. Then your own name, you put it here, then you click on next. Do you understand? Don't make mistake when filling your account details. And in case if you're not a Nigerian and you cannot withdraw using your Naira account, if you want to withdraw money, you can actually click on me, click on initiate withdrawal. Okay, if you don't want to use bank, you can use TRX. Sorry, can use TRS to withdraw your money. You click on TRS, you can copy your TRS20 wallet address, you know TRS now, Tron. Then you paste the link here, then you can withdraw. But I have not withdraw using TRS, so I only withdraw using my bank account, my local bank account. Okay, as you can see, they said notes: withdrawal working hours 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday. After submitting the application, the funds are expected to be transferred to the account within 48 hours. But like I said, mine wasn't up to 24 hours. Okay, so this is the simplest and easy way to make money online now. Okay, no stress. You just link your WhatsApp and every day you come and claim your money. That is all. That is if you're not a greedy person. Okay, I'm going to be bringing more updates on how to make money online. I'm going to be bringing more updates on how to make money online. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you.